Hello. When I'm chewing bubble gum, I can't stop chewing it. So the hello in Philippines it's musta, musta, and this is the shortcut word musta, musta, and the peso sign is in like dollar, defined in a money sign, so peso, and this is how we write the peso sign. It's a letter P with lines, and the Bisaya and Tagalog were two languages in Philippines. Well, it's really true. It's really true. Some in Philippines will. Our national hero is Jose Rizal, Andres Bonifacio, um, so many more. And well, our pencil sign is like this. So now, so we're spelling like in Korean, their hello is 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. They are the yeah really. When they are saying hello to everyone, they will gotta say hello 안녕하세요 in Korean, right? In America, hello, hello or hi. In Philippines, musta or musta na you. Musta, musta. And how old are you? Oh, or you can say musta na you or hello in Philippines. Actually, American or English were studied in here in Philippines. Well, some English needs to study in here in the Philippines because yeah, it's also like so. Bye, subscribe and no, subscribe and like or share. Yeah, share and like and subscribe. Bye.